Are you finding it difficult to concentrate on your goals or feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life? What if I told you that there's a method to not only clarify your objectives but also discover the inner strength to accomplish them? It all begins with mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation can revolutionize the way you set and achieve your goal. Whether you're aiming for a significant aspiration or simply seeking more focus in your daily routine, mindfulness can be a transformative practice. Mindfulness meditation goes beyond just envisioning success, it's about taking intentional actions. Use the clarity and focus gained from your meditation to drive your progress. Create a plan, remain consistent, and take small, daily steps toward your goals. Mindfulness meditation is more than a mental exercise, it's a valuable tool for connecting with your deeper self and aligning your actions with your aspirations. Whether you're overcoming challenging circumstances or simply looking to enhance your life, mindfulness provides clarity, resilience, and peace.